Guys, Sandwich 21 again with Claim 20 on the camera.
What's up?
One last box to go. 2 boxes of Crusade. Wasn't too bad. Really hoping for something big out of this. So 2013-14 preferred. 3 autos. 1 booklet card.
Come on now. Big
Something really huge. Patch silhouette would be nice. Not asking for too much. This is probably the highest end product I've actually ever busted, believe it or not.
What do these boxes go for?
I think this was about 125, I think.
Yes.
I can't remember.
It's very good.
Cut my finger off. As you can tell. Just starting. So yeah, I've got the 2 mash burns from here already, but I couldn't resist buying them, so.
Your
Knickerbockers. 98 and 199, so. Anyway, we'll start with that. Does that have a bit of a silhouette shape? What do you reckon? That's a nice booklet.
only do a select amount of times, don't they?
Stoudemire, Anthony Ewing, Larry Johnson, and Charles Oakley. Not the best booklet, but not too bad.
Oh, they can't give the good booklet when the big hit's here. That's what I think.
Oh, I hope you're right. So, jeez, was it 1 card a pack?
Yeah. Come on now.
Zach Randolph,
Yeah.
purple on card,
What's that? I haven't seen too many of the purples.
number 310.
Nice.
Good numbering.
Solid. Very solid.
I'm going to leave that last. I like the shape of that top bit there.
Is it thicker? I can't tell if it's thick.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Is that a triangle? That's a triangle?
No, it's nice auto.
Of that
I
dude.
can't even read his name on him.
Was it Bob?
That's number 26 of 49. Bandridge. Really something to pop out here. It's not thick, no. It's what do you call them, like the crown shaped?
Okay.
That's what I thought it was at the start. So it can be crown. It can be a Kobe crown.
That'd be nice.
Let's see what we've got here. It is Lakers. Oh, was it? No, is that Ryan Kelly? That is harsh. Number 40 or 49.
Dull.
Not the greatest box at all, but them the breaks.
I numbered Randolph though.
Ryan Kelly. Him. And yeah, purple of Zach Randolph. Short numbered 3 of 10.
What's his jersey number?
A 50.
Okay.
And yeah, the Knicks booklet. So, pretty brutal box, but as I said, them the breaks. Thanks for watching, guys.
See ya.